Hi friends. The last video was all about the introduction of 7 QC tools. In this video, we shall discuss about the first QC tool of the 7 QC tools, and it is the check sheet. Check sheet. Most of you would be aware of what it is, or at least have a basic understanding of this. Check sheet is not an unknown name, and it is widely used for the purpose of recording the data or data collection. So, one may think, why are we then learning about the check sheet? The noteworthy fact here is that it has been described as a tool, not a paper, unlike what generally it is considered in the industries, that check sheet is a mere form of a paper. My friends, it is the most important of the 7 QC tools, as without this, you may face severe problem for using other tools and performing various analysis. It can be defined as a sheet, which is designed in advance for easy collection and aggregation of the data. Earlier, it was a sheet where operators in the industries used to put a check mark against any issue or defect which they have observed, and later they used to count the total against each defect. Thus, the sheet was named as check sheet. In much later days, the check marks were replaced by the tally marks. Check sheets, they form the backbone of any type of improvements in any industry. They help you in collection of the data, inspection, monitoring, review, standardization and control. And the purpose is to study the pattern, trend and variation within and between our systems. This helps us to ensure collection of required parameters, attributes in the form of data, allows us a thorough inspection and analysis. It helps us to understand tendencies and variation. It leads to higher level of problem solving and even assists for troubleshooting. A clear example is when you visit a doctor and he forgets to write any prescription or slip. Now, when you visit him the next time, will he be able to recall and do your problem solving specifically based on the last treatment? Such is the use of check sheet. You cannot advance without it. You always need it for problem solving. One important thing about check sheet is that the format and structure of the check sheet, it depends on the requirement of the specific industry or specific process or maybe the product. This means that what all data you want to capture, what sort of analysis you want to do, based on that you have to design your own check sheet. This is one of the reasons that the format of the check sheet is found different in different or various industries. That's it for now. In the next video, we shall discuss about the cause and effect diagram. Feel free to write your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Thank you and see you all in the next video.